Did you know Einstein rejected both God and atheism? He said neither one got it right. When religious leaders called him a believer and atheists called him one of their own, he turned them both away. He wasn't being difficult, he was being precise. Einstein believed in Spinoza's God, not a person, not a presence listening to prayers, but the mathematical order woven into the fabric of everything. The fact that the universe runs on rules, that light bends at a predictable angle, that gravity follows geometry, that reality, at its deepest level, is not chaos but language. He called that language God, and he spent his entire life learning to read it. For Einstein, science was not the opposite of reverence. It was the highest form of it. Every equation was an act of worship. Every discovery was a moment of awe, not in a cathedral, in a thought experiment, in a notebook, in the silence between a question and its answer. He didn't pray to understand the universe. Understanding the universe was the prayer.